back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko Auntie Daycare. If today is your first day on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so today we're going to be learning about Yoruba Proverbs. Isn't that exciting? As a Yoruba heritage, okay, what we are known for is we do not speak in plain language. And even if we speak in plain Yoruba, we add proverbs in our communication. There are some Yoruba proverbs that are said wrongly, okay, and there's quite a number of them, but I will only be addressing one of them today, okay, and we will discuss furthermore in the future, okay. Now there's one of them that says, what have you seen in your food for you to have made you to suspend your hands? So let's say you feed it with your hands, okay, and you notice something in your food, and then you take a pause and you hang in your hands like that. Okay, what have you seen to make you, pause from eating your food? They're not literally saying that, what have you seen to that? They're just saying that what has made you behave in this way, in this manner. Okay? But some people, they've been saying this proverb so wrongly, so they will say, what have you seen in your food for you to have locusts beans in your hands? That doesn't make sense, does it? No. So we're going to be correcting all of that today. Then, as you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language. All right? On the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Auntie Daycare. Ní ti tòní, a máa kọ́ nípa òwe Yorùbá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àmọ́ kí a tó kọ́ nípa àwọn òwe Yorùbá, ní ti tòní mo fẹ́ ṣe àtúnṣe òwe kan tí à ń ṣìpè, àṣìpa òwe. Fún àpẹẹrẹ, kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú sọ́wọ́? Ṣé gbogbo ọbẹ̀ ló máa ń lorú ni? Rárá bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. Kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú ọwọ́? Ṣé mọ̀ pé tẹ bá ń jẹun lọ́wọ́, ká sọ pé wá rí eṣinṣin nínú oúnjẹ yín, bóyá ẹ̀ ń jẹ ọkà. Ẹ wá rí, bóyá ká sọ pé ẹ rí eṣinṣin, àbẹ́ ẹ rí irun, àbẹ́ ẹ rí ohun ìdọ̀tí kan nínú oúnjẹ yín. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ máa gbọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ báyìí pé ẹ máa fẹ́ wò dáa pé kí ló wà lọ? Ẹni tó bá wọlé tó bá rí yín tí ẹ ṣọwọ́ báyìí, wọ́n ní kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú ọwọ́? Kò kí ń ṣe irú bíi ti báwo tí a bá ń kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa pé kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú sọ́wọ́? Ṣé gbogbo ọbẹ̀ ló ń lorú ni? Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi àtúnṣe yẹn ká fi sọ́kàn. Ṣó ti yé yín? Kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú ọwọ́? Ṣó ti yé yín? Kí ló rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi warú ọwọ́? Ẹ ṣeun. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan. Alright guys, so we're going to be learning about Yoruba Proverbs, okay? And wish me luck in translating it in English to you guys, okay? So the first one I would like to teach today is ojú kan ló ń bímọ, ìgbà ojú ló ń wò. Ojú kan ló ń bímọ, ìgbà ojú ló ń wò. Or one parent gives birth to a child, but so many people are involved in raising that child. So I'm just going to take it the way the Chinese people say it, that it takes a village to raise a child. That is just what that means. The literal translation is one eye, but we know that they're not trying to say one eye, and that is the secret behind Yoruba Proverbs. That's the beauty. They are trying to say a lot of things to you in a short sentence and expecting you to digest it. Okay? Now, another one that I would like to teach again today, and then I'll just round up this video, okay? Because I don't want it to get too long. Bí ọmọdé bá láṣọ bí àgbà, kò lè lákìísà tó. Bí ọmọdé bá láṣọ bí àgbà, kò lè lákìísà tó. Which means that no matter how much exposure, advancement that you've got, okay, you can never be as experienced as an elderly person because they have lived longer than you have lived. So they have more experience than you. That is just what they're saying. But the literal translation is, even if you have as many clothes as an elderly person, you cannot have the amount of rags that they have, meaning that you cannot have the amount of used clothes that they have used even before you were born. Okay? So that means that the amount of experience that they've got, you haven't got it. So, bí ọmọdé bá láṣọ bí àgbà, kò lè lákìísà tó. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there, okay? And then we'll be catching up again next week, okay? But before then, I would like you to think about this Proverbs, okay, that we've learned. So just in case an auntie is correcting you across the street, don't get angry. Don't get, oh, but she's not my mom, she's not my dad. But it takes a village to raise a responsible child, okay? Regardless of who your parents are, everyone is involved in your development, in your growth, okay? And also, when your parents tell you things, all right, listen. They've got more experience. They've seen things, and trust me, they're trying to protect you, okay? So don't get angry if they're telling you do it this way, do it that way. Yes, we will respect your opinion, we will respect your desires, but we'll try to guide your desires in the right direction. Okay? So I'll leave you there, okay? As you know, we say our order but together. On the count of 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, double! Thank you